All right, so today we're going deep on something that's got everyone in finance talking.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
It really is, and that is MicroStrategy and their huge Bitcoin bet. We're talking $42 billion. Huge.
Yeah, a lot of companies are kind of testing the waters with Bitcoin, but
yeah.
MicroStrategy's like, nah, we're diving in head first.
Yeah, they're basically saying we believe in this, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. But before we get too far, I think it's important to remind everyone just how much Bitcoin MicroStrategy already has.
Oh yeah, they're sitting on a mountain of it. Over 152,000 Bitcoins.
152,000 Bitcoins.
That's more than some countries hold.
Yeah, you don't even want to think about what that's worth.
It's mind-boggling.
And on top of that mountain, they want to add another $42 billion worth over the next 3 years.
Yeah, this is serious business.
So how are they going to do that? I mean, are they just going to, wire the money to some exchange?
Haha, no, it's a lot more sophisticated than that. They're going to be using a combination of things. Issuing debt securities,
Right.
which is basically like taking out a really, really big loan.
I was going to say.
Yeah, and they might even sell some equity, which is like offering pieces of the company.
So they're really going all in on this.
They are.
But the big question is why? I mean, Bitcoin, it's been up, it's been down, it's been all over the place. Why are they making this bet?
Well, the CEO of MicroStrategy, he's a big believer in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
He sees it as a hedge against inflation. The dollar, it can lose value over time, but Bitcoin, with its limited supply, it's like digital gold, it's supposed to hold its value better in times of uncertainty.
But, and this is a big but, Bitcoin's volatile. Remember back in 2021? It was like a roller coaster.
Oh yeah, definitely. And that volatility, it's the biggest risk here.
Absolutely.
If Bitcoin crashes, their investment goes poof.
Gone.
But on the flip side, if it skyrockets like they're predicting, the payoff could be massive.
Yeah, it's a high risk, high reward kind of game.
Exactly. But it's not just about MicroStrategy making or losing money here. I mean, they're a big player.
Oh, yeah.
What they do can influence the whole crypto market.
Absolutely. Think about it. You're a smaller company, maybe thinking about getting into Bitcoin, and then you see MicroStrategy making this massive bet.
It's a big signal.
It is. It makes Bitcoin seem more legitimate, more mainstream.
So suddenly everyone's jumping on the bandwagon.
It could create this snowball effect, with even big financial institutions getting involved.
Wow, so we could be looking at a major shift in the way people think about money.
Possibly, yeah. And that's what makes this so fascinating, I mean, we're potentially witnessing a turning point in finance.
Right.
If MicroStrategy is right, it could change everything. But if they're wrong,
it could be a disaster.
Yeah, it'll be a big warning sign for anyone else thinking about following in their footsteps.
So we've got a company betting. Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah.
And it makes you wonder, what does it all mean for the rest of us?
Yeah, that's the big question, isn't it? What happens if more companies go down this road? Is Bitcoin really the future, or are we all just caught up in the hype?
It's something we're all going to have to figure out. But for now, I think that's a good place to leave it. So much to think about.
Definitely.
But until next time, keep on diving.
Absolutely.
We'll be back soon to unpack more of the big stories shaping the world.
Looking forward to it.
See ya.
Bye.